Students, we are going to see the chapter decimal fractions. In this chapter, we look some parts. In that, we learn what is decimal fraction, how to read and write decimal fractions, the place value of digits in the decimal fraction, and yesterday we learned that how to convert rupees into paise, centimeter into millimeter, and meter into centimeter in decimal fraction. Today we are going to see writing half, quarter, three quarters, and 1 and a quarter in decimal form. आज आपण काय पाहणार आहोत तर अर्धा, पाव, पाऊण आणि सव्वा यांचे दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये लेखन कसे करायचे हे पाहणार आहोत. Before going to see this part, first I introduce you some words. See, half. What is meant by half? Usually we write half as 1/2. Half means अर्धा आणि आपण व्यवहार्य पूर्णांकामध्ये हाफ हे 1/2 असे लिहितो. Then what is meant by quarter? Quarter means पाव भाग that we write as 1/4. It is called pav. The next is 3 quarters. 3 quarters means 4 and in Marathi it is called pound. And then here and 1 and a quarter. 1 and a quarter means look 1 and a quarter. 1 means here complete 1. 1 is whole number, it is complete number, and a quarter. A quarter means 1/4. Here write 1/4. In Marathi it is called savva. Look at these 4 words. These 4 words shows you how to convert the given number into decimal form. दिलेल्या उदाहरणांचे दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये रूपांतर कसे करायचे हे तुम्हाला हे 4 शब्द सांगणार आहे. For that, remember the meaning of these words. Half means अर्धा, it is written as 1/2. Quarter means 1/4, that is pav. 3 quarters means 3/4, it is called pound. And 1 and a quarter means 1 and 1/4, in Marathi it is called savva. Like that, now we are going to convert these all fractions into decimal form. To convert these fractions into decimal form, we have to write the denominator of these given fractions must be converted into equivalent fractions with denominator 10 and 100 or in the 10 times multiples of 10. आपल्याला या दिलेल्या अपूर्णांकांचे छेद हे 10च्या दशपटीतील अपूर्णांकाबरोबर करायचे आहेत. म्हणजे यांचा सममूल्य पूर्णांक इक्विव्हॅलेंट फ्रॅक्शन आपल्याला शोधावा लागेल. देन वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डेसिमल फॉर्म. त्याच वेळी आपण याचे रूपांतर दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये करू शकतो. व्हाय वी कन्वर्ट द डिनॉमिनेटर्स इनटू 10, 100, 1000 and so on. आपण त्यांच्या छेदांचे रूपांतर 10, 100, 1000 अशा 10च्या दशपटीमध्येच का करायचे? We learned that आपण हे शिकलेलो आहोत. Because we make their denominators as 10, 100 because when their denominators are 10 and 100 they are called decimal fractions. ज्यावेळी त्यांचे छेद 10, 100 या रूपामध्ये असतात त्याच वेळी त्यांना दशांश अपूर्णांक असे म्हणतात. Now first I convert this half into equivalent fraction with denominator 10. प्रथम मी हाफ चे इक्विव्हॅलेंट फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये रूपांतर करते. हाफ means 1/2. I have convert this 1/2 with denominator 10. मला ह्या चे छेद 10 करायचे आहेत. फॉर दॅट आय राइट लाइक दिस 1/2 इक्वल टू 1/2 into when I multiply 2 by 5 I get denominator 10. ज्यावेळी मी 2 ला 5 ने गुणेन त्याच वेळी मला छेद 10 मिळेल and therefore I multiply by 5 to 1 आणि म्हणून मी 1 ला सुद्धा 5 ने गुणले. That means when we multiply denominator by any number we also multiply by that number to numerator. ज्यावेळी छेदाला एका संख्येने आपण गुणत असतो त्यावेळी त्याच संख्येने अंशाला गुणले तरच इक्विव्हॅलेंट फ्रॅक्शन मिळतो. We get 5/10 and 5/10 we write in decimal fraction as 0.5. 5/10 याचेच आपण डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये लेखन असे करतो. Also we convert this 1/2 into 100 with 100 denominator. मी या 1/2 चे 100 छेद सुद्धा करू शकते. पहा I multiply 2 by 50. 2 ला मी 50 ने गुणते. I multiply by 50 to denominator. Therefore I multiply by 50 to numerator also. छेदाला 50 ने गुणले म्हणून अंशाला सुद्धा 50 ने गुणते. Their product is 50 into 150 and 50 into 100. Here 100 is denominator, that is the equivalent fraction, that is the decimal fraction. We convert it into decimal form like this 0.50. Here when you look at 0.5 and 0.50, you found that these two decimal forms are equivalent fractions. Their value is same. ज्यावेळी 0.5 आणि 0.50 ह्या दोन्हीचा आपण विचार करतो त्यावेळी ते सममूल्य आहेत हे आपल्याला लक्षात येते. That means half is written in decimal form as 0.5 or 0.50. These two are same. हे दोन्हीही या दोन्हींचीही किंमत सेमच आहे हे लक्षात घ्या. Like that, now we have to convert this quarter into decimal form. First remember, half means 0.5 or 0.50 in decimal form. I write here half means 0.5 or 0.50. This is our first expression in which we convert the mixed fraction into decimal form. Now we have to convert quarter into decimal form. आता आपल्याला हा क्वार्टर जो आहे याचं दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये रूपांतर करावं लागेल. The second example is we convert now quarter. Quarter means 1/4. Let us convert this into decimal fraction. But 10 is not divisible by 4 because 10 is not in the table of 4. 10 ला 4 ने भाग जात नाही कारण 4 च्या पाड्यात 10 नाही. Therefore we multiply 1/4 by 25 because 4 into 25 is equal to 100. 4 ला जर 25 ने गुणलं तर आपल्याला छेद 100 मिळतो. पण 10 छेद होण्यासाठी 4 ला आपण गुणू शकत नाही. म्हणून 4 ला 25 ने गुणल्यानंतर आपल्याला इथे छेद मिळणार आहे 100. नाउ मल्टिप्लाय न्यूमरेटर बाय 25. आता अंशाला सुद्धा 25 ने गुणा. द प्रोडक्ट इज 25. 25 upon 100 is equal to 0.25. This 0.25 is in decimal form, that is called a quarter. दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये 0.25 म्हणजे a quarter किंवा त्याला आपण पावभाग असे म्हणतो. The next is 3 quarters. 3 quarter means 3/4. 3 parts out of 4. 4 पैकी 3 भाग आपण इथे घेत असतो. And therefore we convert this 4 in 1 into 100 डेनॉमिनेटर या 4 चे रूपांतर 100 मध्ये करीत आहोत. Therefore I multiply the 25 by 3 at numerator. अंशस्थानी मी 3 ला सुद्धा 25 ने गुणते. Their product is 25 into 3 75 and 4 into 25 100. We get 75 upon 100. When we convert it into decimal form, we get 0.75 because this is 10th place and this is 100th place. Their denominator is 100 and therefore there are 2 digits after decimal point. Decimal point नंतर 2 digits येतील आणि म्हणून आपण इथे decimal point नंतर 75 लिहिलेले आहे. The value of 3 quarters in decimal form is 0.75. अशा पद्धतीने 3 quarters म्हणजे पाऊण भागाचे दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये किंमत होते 0.065. And the last example is 1 and a quarter. Here 1 and a quarter means 1 is a complete number, whole number. Therefore write 1 and a quarter means 1 upon 4. This is a fraction, mixed fraction. हे mixed fractions याचे रूपांतर आपण mixed fraction मध्ये केलेले आहे. Now write it in decimal form. 1 is as it is, we write here. हे आहे तसं आपण लिहिणार आहोत. Give decimal point and 1 upon 4 means 0.25. Here 0 is, here there is no whole number, therefore we write here 0 इथं पूर्ण संख्या कोणतीही दिलेली नाही म्हणून आपण 0 लिहिलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर 25 दिलेले आहे. Here whole number is 1, therefore write 1 first. Point, here after decimal point there is 25. 0.25 means quarter, and therefore a quarter means 0.25. 1 upon 4 means 0.25. This is the answer of 1 upon 0.25 means 1 and a quarter. या उदाहरणांकडे पाहिला तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. Look at these examples. Half means half in decimal form we write as 0.50 or 0.5. Quarter in decimal form we write as 0.25. 3 quarters are written as 0.75 and 1 and a quarter in decimal form we write as 1.25. अशा पद्धतीने डेसिमल फॉर्म मध्ये यांचे रूपांतर आपण केलेले आहे. I write here their values of decimal form. In decimal form we write as 0.5 or 0.50. Quarter means in decimal form 0.25. 3 quarters are written in decimal form at 0.75 and 1 and a quarter in decimal form written as 1.25. Remember all these values and now solve the question. Examples based on this part. Question is, write the following fractions as decimal fractions. प्रश्न काय दिलेला आहे पहा. राइट द फॉलोइंग फ्रॅक्शन्स एज डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शन्स. आपल्याला दिलेल्या अपूर्णांक हा दशांश पूर्णांकामध्ये लिहायचा आहे. द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज 3 and a half. 3 and a half is first example. Now write this fraction into first mixed fraction. प्रथम याचे रूपांतर आपण मिक्स्ड फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये करूया. 3 and 3 आणि असं सांगितले, therefore 3 and असं सांगितलेलं आहे, therefore 3 is whole number and a half. A half means for half there is fraction 1/2. Right here 1/2. 3 and 1/2 we write in mixed fraction. Now it convert into decimal fraction. आता आपल्याला त्याचं decimal fraction मध्ये रूपांतर करायचं आहे. Look, 3 and 1 upon 2 means there is 3 right here. 3 is from whole number. Now give decimal point. 1 upon 2 means how much in decimal form? 1 upon 2 means in decimal form 0.5 or 0.50. Decimal form मध्ये here 3 is a whole number, therefore write here 3, and 1 half means how much in decimal form? 0.5, that is 0.5, write here 5, or Qma 0.50, write here 3.50. Like this, we write 3 and half in two forms, 3.5 or 3.50. The next example is 2 and 3/4. In this example, 2 is whole number, therefore write here 2, and 3/4 means how much in mixed fraction? P upon 4. 2 is whole number, therefore we write here 2, give decimal point, and 3 upon 4 means how much in decimal form? 0.75. Therefore we write here 75. The answer is 2.75. 2 and 3/4 means 2.75 in decimal form. The third example is 14 and a quarter. पहा पुढचे उदाहरण काय आहे? 14 and a quarter. 14 is whole number, right here 14. 14 ही पूर्ण संख्या आहे म्हणून 14 लिहिले. A quarter. A quarter means what is the fraction? Here a quarter means 1 upon 4. Therefore write here 1 upon 4. Now convert it into decimal form. 14 is the whole number, therefore write here 14. Give decimal point, and 1 upon 4 means 0.25 or 25. Right here 25, and the answer is 14.25. 14 and a quarter is in fraction. We write it into decimal form like this. The fourth example is 6 and a half. 6 and a half means, now right answer, 6 is the whole number, and a half means, look here, half means 1 upon 2, right here 1 upon 2. Convert it into decimal form. 6 is the whole number, and 1 upon 2 means 0.5 or 0.50. Write into type 6.5 or 6.50. Like this, we convert the given fractions into decimal fractions. अशा पद्धतीने दिलेल्या अपूर्णांकाचे आपण दशांश अपूर्णांकामध्ये रूपांतर करू शकतो. Look at the next example. The fifth example is 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. 1 is complete number, right here 1, and 3/4 means, look here, 3/4 means 3 upon 4, right here 3 upon 4. Now convert it into decimal form. 1 is whole number, write 1, give decimal point, and 3 upon 4 means 0.75. Here write 0.75. This is the conversion of 1 and 3/4 into decimal form. The sixth example is 10 and a quarter is equal to 10. 10 is whole number, therefore write here 10, and in fraction write a quarter means 1 upon 4. Right here 1 upon 4 is equal to 10.1 upon 4 means 0.25. This is the answer. Solve the examples like this in your notebook. For that, you remember the basis here half, quarter, 3 quarter, 1 and quarter. मुख्य भाग जो आहे तो इथे आहे, हा तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. हाफ मीन्स 1 upon 2. In decimal form it is 0.5 or 0.50. Quarter means 1 upon 4. It is called mixed fraction. हा व्यवहार्य पूर्णांक आहे. You have to convert it to decimal form like 0.25. 3 quarters means 3 upon 4. In decimal form it is 0.75. And 1 and a quarter means sawa. That is 1 and 1 upon 4 is equal to 1.25. These 4 parts you remember and then solve the given examples like this in your notebook. यावर आधारितच हा भाग जर तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवला तर यावर आधारित हे अपूर्णांकांचे दशांश अपूर्णांकामध्ये रूपांतर तुम्हाला सहज करता येईल. Remember, half means 0.5, 3 quarter means 0.75, a quarter means 0.25, and the given number before n पूर्वी दिलेल्या ज्या संख्या असतात that is whole number. ती सगळी पूर्ण संख्या असते and that number is like here right before decimal point. n च्या पूर्वी दिलेली जे अंक असतात ते सगळे अंक सगळ्या संख्या ह्या पूर्ण असतात आणि म्हणून त्या दशांश चिन्हाच्या पूर्वी लिहिलेल्या आहेत. Here 3 is whole number. I write here 3 before decimal point. Here is 2. Here I write 2. Then 14 I write 14 before decimal point. अशा पद्धतीने दशांश अपूर्णांकाच्या आधी असणारी संख्या ही पूर्ण संख्या असते आणि ती या अपूर्णांक ती येथे n या शब्दाच्या पूर्वी दिलेली असते हे तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या. Solve problem set 40. Solve problem set 40 in your notebook. At last, remember this chart. Write this chart in your notebook and remember it.